So today in this session we will understand Spearman's rank correlation, case 3. Okay, this is case 1, case 2 and case 3. Case 1 is when ranks are given, case 2 is when ranks are not given, and the third one is when ranks are equal or there is a tie. There's a tie between the ranks. Okay, so you can see the theory. In some cases it may be found necessary to rank two or more individuals or entry as equal. Okay, so when you find two entries are same, so what we will do in such cases, it is necessary to take the average of the ranks. Okay, so here two individuals are ranked equal at fifth place. Okay, they are given the fifth place, so you will take it like this: fifth plus sixth divided by 2, you take the average. So in the fifth and the sixth position you will be writing 5.5. okay, if three are ranked, if you have three same entries, okay, so that would be fifth plus sixth plus seventh divided by 3, 18 by 3, you get 6. So in these three places you will be writing 6. If you didn't understand, it is okay, when we do the sum you will understand. So this is the formula for Spearman's rank correlation. Again, as I always say, learn the formula, because once you learn the formula you will know what you need to formulate in the table. Okay, so learn this formula perfectly. Once I'll just tell you how the formula is. You have 1 minus 6 open brackets summation d square. This d square is what you find out in the table. Okay, then this formula looks big, but then it is very simple. You have the same thing repeating. See, you have 12 1 by 12 m1 cube minus m1, it's repeating. Again you have second time 1 by 12 m2 cube minus m2, this is the second time. Then dot dot, since it's given dot dot, it's understood that next one will be 1 by 12 m3 cube minus m3. This, why it is like this, why this dot dot is given is, in the question how many numbers are repeating how many times, based on that the formula count also will increase. That's why it is dot dot dot. Okay, then we have divided by n cube minus n. Okay, so let's see one problem so that we'll understand how to solve Spearman's rank correlation when ranks are equal. Okay, so first when you get the problem, the most important thing is check if numbers are repeating. Now see, in this problem, compute Spearman's rank correlation for the following observation. You have judge A and judge X and judge Y. So 20, 22, 28, 23, 30, 30, 23, 24. Here see, 23 is repeating. Then 30, 30 is repeating. Perfect. That is only repeating in the first series. X series we have two values that are repeating. Next in Y series you can see 28, 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 32 and 30. So here 24 is repeating twice. So according to this sum we have three numbers that are repeating. Okay, and it's repeating only twice. Okay, three numbers, that is 23, 30 and 24. I have just written it down. Now why I have written this three numbers is, you will have the formula three times, that is 1, 2 and 3. Three times you will have this 1 by 12, because we have three numbers repeating. Okay, so let's see the problem, how we are going to solve it. Calculation of Spearman's rank correlation. I have put the box. In the box I have not written anything. I have only written what is given in the question. Okay, so candidates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you have X series, that is judge X, then judge Y, Y series. Okay, now you need to rank this. Now how we will rank it? You can rank it your own style. You can either use ascending order or you can use descending order. That is, you can rank it from big to small or small to big, whatever according to your convenience. Now I am going to take it from a small number to a greater number. So then 20 is the first smallest number, so I am ranking it as 1. Okay, next after 20 the smallest number is 22, so I am ranking it as 2. Okay, now after 22 comes 23 and again 23, so that is in the which place is it? It's in the third position. Third place plus fourth position divided by 2. Okay, so what I will do is I'll write it under this so that it will be comfortable. Third plus fourth position divided by 2. So 3 plus 4 divided by 2 is going to be 7 by 2, which is 3.5. So what you're going to do, you're going to write here 3.5 and here 3.5, and remember 4 is gone. The fourth position is gone completely. Next you're going to rank the fifth position. Okay, so which is the next smallest, next number after 23 is 24, so I am ranking that as 5. Now after 24 comes, next I have, after 24 we have 28, so that is going to be the sixth ranking. Okay, now after the sixth ranking, in the seventh position again I have 2, that's all. Yeah, in the seventh and the eighth position I have 30. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write 7 plus 8 divided by 2. Okay, 7 plus 8 divided by 2 is 15 by 2, which is 7.5. Okay, so I'm going to rank that as 7.5. 7.5. Okay, so this first ranking is done. Now we will move to the next series, that is the Y series. Judge Y. Okay, now in this also, which is the least one? Actually, first I'll just circle what is repeating. Okay, here also I just put a tick and star. Here 24 is repeating. The least value is 24 only. So the first position plus the second position divided by 2. First position, second position divided by 2 will give me 3 by 2, which is 1.5. That means my ranking would be 1.5 and 1.5, which means 2 is gone. Remember this one very important step. 2 is gone. Now next I am going to rank the third position. So after 24 comes 25, so that is the third position. Then the fourth position, that is 26. Then the fifth position, 27. Then the sixth position, then seventh position and eighth position. Okay, so we have got ranks for both the series. So this is important in any problem. You need to first get the rank for both the series. After you get the rank for both the series, you can calculate the D value. Okay, now what is D formula? I have given here. D is equal to R1 minus R2. So here also we are going to take the same, R1 minus R2. So D is equal to 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Then 2 minus 1.5 is 2 minus 1.5 is 0.5. Then 6 minus 1.5 is 4.5. Then 3.5 minus 3 is 0.5. 3.5, 2.5 minus 4.5 minus 2. Okay, now next step is going to be D square. So 5 square minus 5 square. 5 into 5, 25. So you can neglect that minus sign. 25. Then 0.5 into 0.5 is equal to 0.25. Then 4.5 into 4.5 is 0.25. 0.25. 12.25. 6.25. Then you have 20.25. 4.00. That's 4 plainly. So you can write here 20.00 also. Now our main thing was to find out d square. So if you add this whole thing, you will get 88.50. Okay, so d square is 88.50. So what all do we need in the formula? We need n and we need d square. So n is obviously 8. Okay, now you can see this formula, our formula when ranks are equal or when there is a tie in the ranks, the formula is r is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square plus 1 by 12 m1 cube minus m1 plus 1 by 12 m2 cube minus m2. We will have one more value here because three values are repeating. The most important thing here is to write the m value. Now how am I writing the m value? M1 is 2, m2 is 2 for x series because 23 is repeating 2 times and 30 also is repeating 2 times. How many times it is repeating? Like that we are going to write m value. Imagine 23 was repeating 3 times. So m becomes 3. Okay, I'm just giving an example. Now y series also we have 24 repeating 2 times. So m3 will be 2. So what we will do now, what all values we have got, we will substitute. Remember m1, m2, m3 will be taken like how many times the value is repeating. I took m1 because 2 is repeating, 23 is repeating 2 times, 30 is repeating 2 times, 24 is repeating 2 times. So now we are going to substitute that in the formula. 1 minus 6, 88.5 plus 1 by 12, 2 cube minus 2 plus 1 by 12, 2 cube minus 2 plus 1 by 12, 2 cube minus 2. Still if you have doubt why I took it 3 times, I took it 3 times because 23 is repeating once, 30 is repeating, sorry, 23 is repeating twice, 30 is repeating and 24 is repeating. Okay, so then 8 cube minus 8. Okay, so then you're getting this value. We will just solve 1 by 12, 2 cube minus 2, that is 1 by 12. 2 cube means it is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 2, 6. So 6 by 12 you will get 0 0.5. So that's how we got 0 0.5 here. So then you get 1 minus 540 divided by 504, 1 minus 1.071. So your final answer of correlation is minus 0.071. Okay, so this is when ranks are equal or tied. January 2021, question paper code 12717, there's a problem asked. Calculate Spearman's rank correlation and comment on it. So you see in this series 480, 330, 400, nice. So see 160, 160 is repeating. Then do we have here 130, 130 is repeating. Nothing else is repeating. So in this sum we'll have m1 as 2 and m2 as 2 because these values are repeating, because 160 is repeating 2 times. Okay, and 130 is repeating 2 times. Okay, so that's the only difference. Rest all would be the same. So solve the problem and send it to me. Thank you.